What's up, you guys? Today I'm going to be showing you guys 10 formal curly hairstyles. Let's get started. You can add any type of accessory that you want to your hair. When I was in high school, I always had some type of like cute headband around my head, or just some type of hair accessory. But unfortunately, I don't have the ones that I used to have. But please feel free to add any accessories that you want to the style that you like from. Alrighty guys, and we're starting off with style number 1. This is probably my favorite one out of all of the styles that I did. But first I parted my hair down the middle, and then I parted off the front section of my bangs. And then after that, you're going to part off another section. You're going to part off a total of 3 sections. There's a lot of parting in this, but trust me, we'll get to the good stuff. So this is the second section that I'm parting off. And then you're just going to align that with the other side so that they're both aligned and have the equal amount of hair and stuff in it. And I put away the rest of my hair. But so for the second section, you are going to bring it behind your head and tie that off in the back. You know how people like tie off like the front of their bangs and it's like really cute, like that, like it's gonna be like that. And then I grabbed hair from underneath and I parted it into 2 pieces, and then I just twisted it. Once you're done twisting, you're going to just bring it and wrap it around your head. If your hair is not long enough for this, I would suggest taking a section from each side and just crossing them over. And then I just bobby pinned it underneath my hair onto the second section that I already tied back. And then I went ahead and just pulled some of these pieces out just to make it more visible. And then for my bangs to be a little bit more curly, I just sprayed it with water and scrunched them up. And this second hairstyle, I actually wore it to a festival. I feel like you can turn any hairstyle into a formal hairstyle. I don't think there is any rules when it comes to that. So yeah, you're just going to part your hair off to the side, and then on the other side, you're going to just braid it all the way down. And you're just gonna have this cool, it can be a little edgy, it can also be a little dressed up. When I did it for the festival, I added some charms in my hair, so you can do something like that or add a cute barrette, whatever fits your style the best. I also did end up pulling the braid a little bit too, just to make it a little bit more visible and wider. Style number 3 is just this really cute half up, half down look. I started parting my hair down the middle, and then I took out a side piece from both sides. You don't have to part them perfectly. You just need 2 sections. And then I think I also took out the front pieces. I like a little bangs out, make it a little bit more messy but still put together. And then I just split it into 2 sections, and I started twisting. And to hold it off, I added a bobby pin at the bottom so that I can do the other side. And then after this, you're going to take the bobby pins out, and you're going to take the 2 sections and tie them together in the back. And once you're done tying it off, you're going to slip the hair underneath and pull it through the little hole. You can put a little bobby pin back there to hold it up a little higher, or a small claw clip. Style number 4 was a little bit tricky. It was tricky for me, but you're going to start off by parting off the middle section of your head, and then taking an elastic, tying your hair in it. And then you're going to create a little hole in the middle, and then you're going to pull your hair through from the top and then tighten it, and it creates this cute little like ripple effect. And you're just going to continue those steps all the way through. You do not want to get the part in there that you already tied off, so you're going to try to avoid and put that to the side while you're doing the other sections. Style number 5. You guys are gonna hate me, but you know I had to throw a claw clip hairstyle in there, but you're not gonna be able to see this claw clip hairstyle. And if you do wanna be able to see it, then go get a cute one, whatever. But parting my hair down the middle and then down the sides. And then I'm going to tie the front pieces of my hair back, just like we did in a couple of the other hairstyles before. And then I'm taking these mini claw clips. Now when I'm twisting my hair, I'm not making it too tight because I want it to have like that bulky effect in the back. And then I'm sitting the mini claw clips up a little higher so that my hair can flow down. Again, if your hair is not long enough, go get a cute claw clip. This will look just as good. I also added some little barrettes on the side. I think it pulled it all together. Style number 6 is really just like a mid ponytail slick back, but you're going to part off the top section and put that away, and then you're going to first tie off the bottom section. This will kind of help that middle part stay a middle part, because I know that like that can be tricky sometimes. So here's a little hack. And then when you're done tying off the bottom part, you're going to just take the top part and tie it over top. And you'll have that middle part still there, and it still gives a cute and classy look. For style number 7, we're gonna part off the front 2 sections and then put the rest of our hair in a ponytail and just leave it there, and we're gonna come back to it. Then going back to the front sections, and you're going to flat twist those off. And I just tied the rest of it around my hair. Now that I'm thinking about it, I definitely could have just took another elastic and tied it around the ponytail, but totally fine. You live and you learn. Now you could leave it just like this, or what I did was parted the ponytail into 2 sections, and I did twist with those as well and just wrapped it around the pony. Okay, number 8 gave like very gladiator vibes, and I'm not mad at it. So again, parting off the front 2 sections. And then starting from the top, you're going to take section by section and tie it off with a little elastic. And with this one, you are going to include the ones that you tied off. So you're gonna make sure that they're all coming together, and they're gonna create this little like front bubble braid effect to your hair. And since it is a front bubble braid, I am pulling these out to make those bubble effects. I did the other side off camera, but you're going to just take it and take all of your hair, put it in a cute ponytail, and then you're going to do a bubble braid in the back as well. I feel like this is where the gladiator comes in. I added these cute little gold charms to my hair. They're in my Amazon storefront, but I think they're so cute, and I feel like they really pulled the look together. Style number 9. Okay, I think this was actually one of my favorites as well. It was so cute. Per usual, parting off the front sections. I didn't think that these had all the same methods to it, but I guess they all do. And then you're gonna individually part off the top of your hair and just flat twist those back. and tie them off with an elastic. To put those little gold pieces in the front, but I decided to do a little headband and I absolutely loved it. And style number 10, I didn't have a picture for it, I must have forgot, but you're just gonna put your hair up in a little ponytail. And then taking your hair and just wrapping it around. Make sure you don't tighten it. Just keep it a little loose or make it however you want. And then I took a bobby pin just to secure my hair off. And then taking the headband that I used in the last hairstyle and just double knotting it, and I just slipped it on over my bun. Okay, and that is 10 formal curly hairstyles. I hope that you guys loved these, and I hope they help you when you're going to your dances or just any type of formal events. Thank you guys so much for watching.